In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Google Sheets smarter with the use of AppScript and AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight your data using AppScript and ChatGPT. So what is Google AppScript? Google AppScript in Google Sheets is a tool that lets you automate tasks and customize your spreadsheet using JavaScript-based code. It helps you perform actions like applying formulas or creating custom menus and connecting your sheet with other Google services automatically. And ChatGPT is an AI tool that I've used in previous videos. If you want to check those videos out, I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to click and watch. So going back to this video, we're going to use AppScript to create a function. Now in AppScript, we have to create codes or scripts to create that function, but I don't have any background on those. So what I do is ask the help of AI, or in this case, ChatGPT, to create that script for me. So all I have to do is to tell ChatGPT exactly what I want to do. So go ahead and open your ChatGPT. Now, if you're using that for the first time, just go to your address bar at the top, type in chatgpt.com, sign in. It's going to be free. There are some paid subscriptions, but that's totally up to you. But you can always use the free one. And here we have it. So I already created my prompt. And in that prompt, I told ChatGPT to create an app script or my script or code that will highlight my data. So I wanted to highlight the entire row and not just one cell based on a region that I will select, because in my spreadsheet, I have this sales data. And in column B, I have my region column. So basically, I want the function to highlight the entire row of the region that I select. So if I wanted East to be highlighted, so this entire row for the region East would be highlighted. So that's what I wanted to do. So going back to my prompt, basically what I'm asking ChatGPT is to create a custom menu that I can select to be able to highlight the data that I want. And I want the entire row to be highlighted. After that, once you're done, just press on enter. Then ChatGPT will create your code or your script for you. It will also explain how it works and what you're going to do to insert that script. We have the script right here. I'm just going to copy it. There we have it. Once that's copied, go back to your spreadsheet. And let's go to our extensions here in the menu bar. Click on that and select AppScript. So your AppScript will open in a new tab where you're going to be pasting the script that ChatGPT just created for us. And right here, make sure everything is clear. Once that's clear, you can go ahead and paste. So that's Control V. There we go. Then we're going to save it. Now you can also rename this function. That's totally up to you, and click on Run after. So here in our execution log, before it does complete the execution, it will ask for permissions. Now I've already tested this script before this video. That's why it's not asking me for permissions anymore, because I've already done this. But if you do see that pop-up message that will say review permissions, just click on it, review the permissions, allow the permissions. And once you're done, it will say execution completed. Now let's go back to our spreadsheet. You can refresh that page to make sure that you will see your new custom menu in the menu bar. Once you have that, then you can just click on it and select the region that you want to highlight. So again, in your prompt, you have to include what you want to highlight within your data. This is just based on this example right here. Again, I'm trying to highlight all of the data or the entire row on my data that will correspond to the specific region that I will select. So if I wanted to highlight all the sales from the southern region, I'm going to click on South right here. And it has highlighted all of the sales in the southern region. There you have it. Now, what's great about this is ChatGPT already included a clear highlights options. So if we wanted to remove the highlights, we can just click on that. And there we have it. Also, if you want to change the highlight color, you can always include that with your prompt as well. So using ChatGPT or an AI tool to help you create the functions that you want to use within your spreadsheet is very useful, again, especially if you don't have any backgrounds in coding or writing scripts. And there you have it. That's how you can make Google Sheets smarter with AppScript and with some help with ChatGPT if you don't have any coding background. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.